Hello everybody. Today's topic I'm going to teach you is how do you create more than 100 folders with single click. As you can see my data, we have given you some first name and last name. I have altogether 50 names here, and I would like to create all these folders by using Excel. So first of all, to make a folder, so what we do is we normally click over here. This is the icon which is called as your Windows Explorer, and then we go to your this PC. I've got two drives here. One is called as a C drive and another is your E drive. So if I want to make a folder, all these names I would like to create it. So now if I double click on my E drive, now over here my first name is Winfred. So then I'll have to right click, new, and I click on folder. So then if I type that name here, Winfred, and then enter. So this becomes my first folder. So like that I'll have to create the other names also. So it will take me a lot of time because I've got altogether 50 names over here. So I will show you a shorter way where by using this Excel option where I can create more than 100 folders actually at one click actually. For the timing, I will just delete this folder for the timing. So for doing that, first of all, what you do is you just create a. I'm just making a folder here actually. Right click, new, and folder. So all those names should come over here. New folder actually. I'm just saying enter. So at the moment nothing is there because I have just made a folder called as new folder here. I'll just close this for the timing. Okay. So let us see how you make this now. As you can see, I've got some 50 names here. So these are my 50 names. So the first step is what you should do is you just type your MD. MD stands for make directory. If you are familiar with DOS, then you will understand what does MD actually is used for. MD is nothing but to make a directory. So I'll just write MD space, then double quotes. In double quotes, you're supposed to type that name. That is Winfred space and his last name. And then you press double quotes to close it and then enter. After that, you will use your flash fill option, that is Control E. So when you press this button called as Control E, you will get the names for other names also. All other names will come, all those 50 names. After that, what you have to do is click on your first cell and press Control Shift and down arrow key to do the selection part, and you will press Control C to copy. Then you click on your Windows Explorer. I have made a folder called as an E drive. That is this PC. You click E drive, called as new folder. All those names should come here. So I'm double clicking on new folder. After that, you're supposed to right click, new, and come over here. There's a name which says text document. So whatever I have copied, I have to paste it in this file called as notepad. So once you got this thing, just enter and double click on this name, new text document, and paste it over here, Control V. So when you press Control V, the entire names has been come in this list over here. So now you will have to save this file. So you just save file and save as. Now when you're saving this file, you have to give the name. You can give any name, but only thing is I'm just giving a name called as my data. You have to use this dot and write bat also. Bat stands for batch file. And where it is getting saved this file, it is getting saved in E drive, and that is that folder, new folder, and then click on save. Once you have done this much, just close this notepad file. It creates a file name called as my data. So once you double click over here, it should create all this folder which I have, all these names which I have created. So now I'm double clicking on this file name called as my data. So when you double click, it will create a folder. See, all this folder has been created. See, if I double click, you have your folders all created. So double click. At the moment, no files are copied here, so files will not come here. So this is how you can create a a folder. I'll show you one more example where what I want is I would like to create a subfolder. Like for example, if I double click on this first name, right click new and folder. I would like to give a name called as office. So like that I will give it. I want to, this is called as a subfolder. Like that I want to give it for all the names, all those 50 names also I wanted. So just delete for the timing. So like that I want this office ka subfolder. In all these names it should come actually. All these 50 names. So I'll just delete this first. Just delete this folder first. Just click on that first name. Press your shift key. Scroll down like this down by using a mouse and till here. Till here is my folder. Click. So the entire thing has got selected. Just press delete button from your keyboard. So it will get deleted. Only this file you should keep it. Okay. So I'll just go back to my Excel file again. Only one thing I have to do over here is, because I would like to make a subfolder. Before this double quotes, just double click here like this. Give a front slash and write down there office. That is the subfolder I would like to create. So now you press enter. When you press enter, it comes for all those 15 names which I have created over here. Once you've done this much, just copy this again, this file, this entire names actually. Keep your cell point on the first cell. Control Shift and down arrow key and press Control C for copy. Come back to your Windows Explorer. Then what you have to do is, this file is there, my data, which I have already earlier copied and kept it, which we have done. So you just have to edit this file actually. So you just click on this file once, right click my mouse and click on edit. Once you click on edit, this entire file, the earlier file what was I've copied, it is come here, but that office is not coming over here. So what you do is just press Ctrl A and delete. Ctrl A is to select all and delete is to delete the entire information. And now you paste it. Ctrl V. So now you have these names with office also. This is my name main folder and this is my subfolder office. Okay. Now you save this file. Again you click on file and save. Close this notepad file. So now if I again double click on my data, it should create a main folder and your subfolder. So now if I double click, this is my main folder. Double click, see office, double click, it has created a subfolder for me. For each name it has done for that. See. So this is how you can do something like this in Excel. Like if you would like to create 100 folders with a single click. So I hope you have understood this video and keep on practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.